What is going on, my friends? Vitaly is here, and welcome to another episode of today's in Crypto Show. Today, of course, we'll be talking about the prices of crypto, how you can not only survive, but how you can thrive in this current ongoing bear market. What can you do to really make huge profits in today's environment of crypto, and what are the latest crypto news that you need to be paying attention to? And I'll share with you an amazing project that are coming up that I had a privilege to have a private dinner with this multi-billionaire and legend in the crypto space that has not launched yet, but it's going to be an absolutely massive launch down the road with over 300 play to earn games. So stick to the end. Let's start with the news and the prices and the discussion. We are in the bear market, guys. Yes, we do have some winners, of course, with the lowest altcoins, which is always the highest risk that you can take. So if you are here in the long term and you want to be more safe and more secure, you need to adopt more of a 5 to 7 year time horizon and stick with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is not going to go anywhere. It has a lot of backers, a lot of supporters, and there is no doubt in my mind we're going to have a supply shock once again towards 2024 and 2025, and we'll see much higher prices of Bitcoin. So from the altcoins, money is flowing to the Bitcoin in times of uncertainty. Looking at the price of Bitcoin, not much has changed really from we covered it in lengths in the previous episodes, guys. We are in the bear market. We've had 9 weeks in the red, finally a green week, but it was a week. Big rejection on the $32,000, so we are very, very far from any kind of bullish momentum. We do need to close above $35,000 to even speak about some kind of bullish momentum happening in the market right now. Well, we have a big chance that we may fall even lower in Bitcoin. So do not jump, rush into jump into the Bitcoin right now. However, this entire area, if you have a long-term horizon, is definitely very juicy one, because we're not going to stay forever at these current prices of Bitcoin. And looking at this chart, Bitcoin compared to Google, there's a lot of similarities you can see in the chart. And here's a little hopium for you. Today you can see how Google started. It has this symmetrical triangle. We have broken out in a double top. Similarly, what we have right now in Bitcoin, then Google soared more. So probably that's what's going to happen to Bitcoin as well. And Michael Saylor posted this amazing chart. The best Bitcoin price signal for technocrats or maximalists is the 4-year simple moving average. And you can see when there is a blue, it's a pretty darn good area to buy Bitcoin. Now, I don't know if he's loading right now more Bitcoin. He already bought a lot, but maybe he's preparing for a move to buy even some more Bitcoin. But we are in the blue area, which means good timing to accumulate, not good timing to sell. Good timing to sell is during the green, yellow, and red, but not when it is in the blue. Another good news coming from PayPal. Finally, after 2 years, PayPal allowing transfers of Bitcoin, other cryptos to external wallets outside of PayPal. First, it's going to be rolled out to US users, and maybe they'll expand internationally as time moves forward. Grayscale is making moves and it strengthens its legal team right now, and they're preparing to get this ETF. Maybe they will get this approved, and that will be a very, very big step for having the spot Bitcoin ETF for the entire crypto space. Now, Solana, if you've been a fan of Solana and its gains, not so much in the past months, because partially of these outages, they just keep on coming on Solana, suffering outage after outage, months after months. And even though there are outages on Solana for a variety of reasons, bugs and whatnot, there is a lot of funds still flowing from the institutional investors who do not care so much about outage. They believe in the team. So Solana, yes, have the potential to soar in our coming bull market. Right now, Solana is what, the $40 right now. So yeah, it's been 50% down the last 30 days. So take notice, because the institutional investors are backing them and are not, even despite those outages that are going on. Shiba Inu, the latest news is the founder of Shiba Inu deletes all the tweets and blog posts. So this pseudonymous founder, Ryoshi, deleted every tweet, every blog, everything, right, and disappeared. So what that should tell you about how much he supports the Shiba right now? Not so much, right? And the price of Shiba is down like 85-90% from the top, and that's where Ryoshi kind of disappears and exited the project. Now, of course, Shiba Army and all of this, they still want to build. It's not like everything was reliant on this one founder, but the fact that he deleted everything and quit, it's kind of interesting. Now, Argentina, Turkey, for example, they experience more and more inflations in their country, and they turn into Bitcoin. They start to adopt more and more Bitcoin. And in India, the central bank digital currencies, according to the Indian's RBI deputy governor, to the International Monetary Fund, they can kill private crypto. So they are working on those central bank digital currencies, and we'll see how it will evolve and how it will really affect the crypto markets when it's coming. Now, in terms of what he can do right now in order to really strive in the current market, well, one thing is you gotta be better safe than sorrow, and you want to be working with really solid projects and cut the losses when you need to cut the losses, and being Bitcoin. If you the other altcoins are very, very volatile, very, very risky. If you want to have, if you are a bit of a riskier guy, then definitely you might want to consider projects that are solid projects with very solid teams that are going to have massive influx on funds and massive momentum. So we're going to talk about two of them right now. The MetaVerseSystem.com. If you go there and watch my review, it's launching in about 6 days from now. Okay, 5 days and 23 hours, something like that. And this is a decentralized matrix system that is coded on the smart contract, and there is going to be a lot of movement, a lot of people using this because they're launching real products, metaverse, NFTs, and play to earn games, along with its own coin Force that can explode in value later in 2022 as the Force program launches. So a lot of people are prepared for that right now, and that's a good way for you to combat the crypto winter that we're seeing right now in the charts. Also, I had the privilege to spend time with multi-billionaire and legend in the industry. Is coming to my penthouse today as well, and talking about this has not been released yet. Okay, so what you're seeing right now, it's not like public. Okay, the World Game Coin that is going to be launched with over 300 play to earn games released at 30 games per month, ready to go and deployed. Absolutely amazing play to earn utility games for people to earn a lot of money just by playing games. So I believe this coin is going to soar with its own blockchain capable of 68,000 transactions per second. And it's not launched yet, so there's some private allocations will be available soon, and I will let you know, guys. I will let you know about that, especially after he's going to come to my penthouse and share the vision to my close group of friends about this today. So that's what I want to share with you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe, make a comment, reach out, and let's be together during this crazy bear market and on to the future of crypto that is going to just get bigger. There is no other way. It's going to get bigger. So those are the times right now to buckle up and seize the best opportunities that you're seeing in front of you